SHROOM, part of the big haul. So this is the last item I gotta open up. I even got the other pillow the other day, opened that up, and yeah, I don't like, it sucks opening stuff because then it's not brand new anymore. My hair gets all over it. So we got the Amped Fleece Mushroom colorway, and this one is overstuffed, so that's why it's much fluffier than the other one I got. You can check out, well, you'll see it in this video. It's all gonna be together. Oh my god, how do I open this though? Yes. Ooh, fresh. Actually, it's only a little bit more fluffier than the other one. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, I love the design on it. That's what makes it amazing. This beautiful orange and these mushrooms. It's gonna go with my theme so well. Super nice. This one has a normal tag on it too, instead of like the gigantic ones. 64 Canadian UO home. Yeah, actually a normal tag, so I don't have to figure out a way to get this one off. All the other tags are like ginormous. Were they ginormous on the, was it ginormous on the purple one too? I don't even know. It's so soft though. This one even has like an interior lining to the fluff as well, I think. It feels different. This must be like their newer edition where that was probably like a year older maybe. I'm not sure. Or they were just two different collections. This one's like a more upgraded one, even though they're the same price and everything. That's why I think it's just like newer, more normal tag, all that kind of stuff. I think it's just a newer version. So I like this one more. It's obviously better quality, but the other one I had to get to match the blanket. That's why. Ooh, yay! So fire. Let's go. Oh my god, was it? Oh no. I even got my Carhartt pillow here. I like the UO home tag that they do on it. And this one, they actually put it through the tag. They're actually smart for this one. Ooh, yeah, I do like the UO home tag, though. This one's actually normal, so it's definitely newer. Like, I feel like the other one was older. This is so fire, though. To go with my collection. You can see the size, too. Pretty much the same as my Carhartt pillow. It's pretty big. Pretty, just like a perfect size. Chilling, sleeping or chilling pillow. Like where you can just have one nice big pillow.